Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming that your country issues NFC e-passport passports and that you meet renewal or first issue eligibility. Assemble required documents: birth certificate or naturalization papers, government ID, standard passport photo, current passport if renewing, and payment. Once done, book an in-person appointment or complete the official online application form. This ensures biometrics and digital chip enrollment. Make sure to note processing window. You now complete the application carefully, entering your legal name, dates, and contact details exactly as on supporting documents. Mismatches delay issuance. Make the biometric appointment. At the office, you will provide fingerprints, a facial scan, and a signature so the RFID chip can securely link data. Keep receipts and tracking numbers after payment. Once your biometrics are captured, the agency programs the NFC chip with your digital ID. This is why accuracy and attendance matter. You collect or receive the passport by mail and immediately check the printed data, photo match, and the chip indicator on the cover. Once home, test the NFC only with the issuing authority's app or an approved reader to verify the electronic data reads securely. Avoid third-party hacks. If the chip fails to respond or data mismatches, contact the issuing office promptly for reissue or repair. Do this before travel to prevent denial at borders.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.